What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about is some new altcoins that you probably haven't heard of, or you may have heard of, that I believe that you could double, triple, maybe even 10x your money this year, that can make you an absolute crazy amount of wealth. And we're just going to be going over that in today's video. So if you do enjoy, go ahead and leave a like on it. Also subscribe to the channel, as well as follow my Instagram here. I post plays every single day on my story for free that you guys can get into. It's really just a good tool for you to have because I post so much free game on there. So if you want to go follow, it's at Scrubs on Instagram, and as well as check out my paid Discord. Basically, if you head over to my website, which is linked at the top of the description, you can join my Discord chat, which is right here, where we call out coins every single day that could 10x. I mean, look at this one. This was last night at 2 a.m. in the morning. We had a 10x call played by P3, one of my admins. And I just call out coins like what I'm about to talk about today, just in the chat all the time. So it's a really good tool. It's really cheap. I'm raising the price majorly in a couple hours. We have 1,000 members in here. We just have a really good community that's going over everything. But like I said, I'm raising the price from $80, which is at right now, to $175 at 1 p.m. Eastern, which is a couple hours after this video is going up. So if you want to join, click the link at the top of my description, tradeshipuniversity.com, and I'll see you guys in the chat. But yeah, today what we're going to be talking about is pretty much some altcoins that you guys may have heard of or may have not heard of, that can pretty much double your money really quick. And I think that these will be really good investments. Maybe not long term for some, but some definitely long term. And a lot of these you might have heard before. And let's just get into our number one spot, which you guys might have guessed, and that is this little guy right here. You guys have seen him on my channel time and time again. Shiba Inu. It's ranked 41 right now on CoinMarketCap. It's up 2% on the day. Yesterday, we were up like 17%. And you can see we're kind of making a recovery right here, which is really good, really nice. We've been kind of on a downtrend for a minute, and I was kind of hoping that this little, recent spike in Bitcoin's price and Ethereum and all this stuff, and just the markets being good, will kind of catapult this into, positive, and it has. And with Bitcoin on its way back to all-time highs, I think this will continue to keep going up. This is more of a long-term hold for me. I think that we could definitely see maybe even potentially a cent, maybe in like 2023, 2024, something like that. Definitely a long-term hold for me. Regardless of that, everybody knows what Shiba Inu is. It's almost reached that level of stable coin for me that I could consider this kind of like, a Cardano or something like that. Once it gets to that level, we're definitely going to see it. If Doge can get up to that level, we are definitely going to see Shiba Inu do that. But for sure, if you're not invested in Shiba Inu, you got to get in it. And that leads me to my next one, which is, I kind of just mentioned it a minute ago, but ADA. I mean, gosh, guys, this literally has skyrocketed in the past week. If you guys didn't know, there was huge news that came out last week. Pretty much it was very bullish too. And it skyrocketed the price. Look, let's look at the 7-day chart right here. I mean, this thing went from a low of 102 to 225 in 1 month. And I think that this thing is my real goal for this one is $10. I think this is awesome, and I think this will happen. So if you want a safer investment that's not as risky as some altcoins like Shiba Inu or some that could really just drop 50% in a day, this is definitely your baby right here. Cardano is going to keep going crazy, and I think this is going to be a long-term gem. And this has the most use case out of any altcoin that I've seen by far. So definitely look into Cardano if you're not in it. And yeah, let me know if you get in. This next one is a little bit different. I actually called this in my paid calls section yesterday. I've known about it for a few days. I did my research and I figured out everything about the team. And they've actually worked on a few bigger projects before. And this one is one of my favorite coins I'm looking at right now. This is more on the risky side, just because, this is literally an altcoin. Like, this is as altcoin as you can get. These are the type of coins that can literally, it's like the high risk, high reward. You get as much as you put in. I mean, dude, like if you put in 1,000, saying 10x, you got 10K. But this one is Zombie Doge. Now, this one actually gives you BNB for holding ZDoge. If you guys don't know, this is a lot of what these meme coins are doing right now. They're actually paying you in like certain coins. Like, for instance, I got in one yesterday. It was called Long Dick Doge, and it paid you in 1 inch. I mean, as you can see, their website's absolutely crazy right now. They got, I mean, look at this. They have anti-dup features, mass buybacks, variable fee allocations, BNB rewards. And I don't know, what makes me think that this thing could actually moon is because we're coming up on Halloween. As you guys know, October is around the corner. And this thing could catch some traction. We're definitely going to pop this off for sure. Pre-sales in 2 days. And then, I really don't like pre-sales much. But this one's not going to be doing that big of a pre-sale. Usually what I do is I always get on a dip whenever there is a pre-sale. But I don't know. I'm bullish on this one. This could be a hidden gem, just like Paradox, the one that was called in my chat yesterday, the 10x. So keep that on the list. lookout. I'll leave that information down below since it's probably hard to find. And lastly, this was one that was also caught in my chat, and we've known about this for a minute, but it's not releasing for actual, I think, 20 days. So it's going to be a minute till this is out. Moonforce is made by the same team as Mini Doge, which if you guys didn't know, that did literally crazy numbers. I cannot even imagine if this one did half that. So I'm going to place my money on this one just because this is going to most likely, if it could do anything, I mean, I want to say it could do Mini Doge numbers, but if it did, that would just be crazy. But Moonforce is coming out until like 20 days. If that did anything, even half of what Mini Doge did, I would be very pleased. So I'm keeping this one on my watch list. And as for any altcoins in general, I have so many that I'm looking at. I can't really just make a whole video on them. But if you want that, let me know in the comment section below. Maybe I could just live stream and then just go over every altcoin I'm looking at, because there's literally hundreds. And these are just my favorite right now. So I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below about these plays. Are you getting in? What do you think about them? And let me know your gems in the comment section below as well. You know, what coins you're looking at, any coins in the future that are fair launch, pre-sale. Just let me know. Yeah, just a quick update. I'm in Florida right now. I'm going to be moving in very shortly. I'll have my setup and my webcam, everything back on track. Right now you're kind of having to deal with me, you know, doing this the old-fashioned way. But without further ado, guys, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you want more. I'm going to post a lot more stablecoin videos, just altcoin videos in general. I'm not going to really just be covering one specific coin, maybe just more general videos like this, bringing it back to the basics. And follow my Instagram as well if you want to be entered into any giveaways I'm doing in the future, because we do those on my Discord. We just did a crypto giveaway not too long ago for $500. So if you want more, join the Discord, follow my Instagram, and yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video.